In today's video, I will share one of the best places to buy Dogecoin. Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. So in today's video, I will share one of the best places where you can buy Dogecoin and I will give you my reasons behind it. Also at the end of this video, I will show you a great opportunity where you can make some extra money on your crypto. But before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. A lot of people that are buying Dogecoin, they are using the Robinhood app. In my opinion, the Robinhood app is probably the worst place to buy cryptocurrency for a couple of reasons. First off, you do not own actual Dogecoin. So if you buy Dogecoin on the Robinhood app, you're not buying actual Doge. You cannot withdraw it and you cannot take Doge from an exchange or a wallet and deposit it on Robinhood. So technically you do not own the actual Dogecoin on the Robinhood app. So let's say tomorrow Elon Musk announces that Tesla will be accepting Dogecoin as a way to purchase one of their vehicles. Sorry to break it to you, you will not be able to use any of that Dogecoin to make any type of purchase whatsoever. Also, the Robinhood app has a ton of issues. There has been many complaints, many negative reviews from users pretty much saying they cannot sell their coins. This pretty much happened with GameStop, with AMC, and now it is happening with Dogecoin. A lot of times when Dogecoin pumps massively and a lot of people that are holding on Robinhood, they try to sell and they get an error message saying they are unable to sell their Dogecoin. In my opinion, this is the worst thing that can happen simply because we are all in crypto to make money. And when a coin that you are holding pumps, you want to have that opportunity to sell it and lock in profits and make some money. But I'm not trying to come off as anti-Robinhood. Robinhood does have some pros, like it is very easy to deposit some money and to buy these coins. Also, the interface is very simple and it is super easy to understand and super easy for new users to get used to. But in my opinion, the cons definitely outweigh the pros. So now you're probably wondering, what is a good alternative to Robinhood? In my opinion, it is the KuCoin exchange. Simply because on KuCoin, you actually own the coins that you are buying. So if you end up buying Dogecoin on the KuCoin exchange, you'll be able to sell it, you'll be able to withdraw it, you'll be able to deposit more Dogecoin. It is your coins. And if Tesla starts accepting Dogecoin as a form of payment, you can use your Dogecoin on the KuCoin exchange to purchase a Tesla or anything else. So in my opinion, that is one of the biggest pros. Also, on the KuCoin exchange, it is super easy to sign up. There's no KYC. So people in New York can sign up and start using KuCoin. People all over the world can sign up and use the KuCoin exchange without providing their ID, without pretty much confirming their identity and waiting for months for their accounts to be approved. On KuCoin, it literally takes 5 minutes to create an account and start trading cryptocurrencies. Also guys, if you want to sign up to the KuCoin exchange, the link will be in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. Also on the KuCoin exchange, if Dogecoin starts pumping, you'll be able to sell at the very top. Also on the KuCoin exchange, you are able to put in a limit order. In my opinion, this is one of the biggest benefits that Robinhood does not have. So how does the limit order work? It is very simple. Let's say you bought some Dogecoin at 25 cents, but you want to sell it at 75 cents. But you do not want to stare at charts all day. You do not want to be checking your phone every 5 minutes to see if Dogecoin is going to hit 75 cents. On the KuCoin exchange, you can put in a limit order to sell your Dogecoin at 75 cents. So let's say you are sleeping in the middle of the night and Dogecoin goes to 75 cents. The limit order will automatically execute and sell your Dogecoin at 75 cents, locking you in all the profits. Also, you can set limit orders for any price. So if you believe Dogecoin is going to go to $1, you can put in a limit order to sell at $1 or $1.50, whatever you want. It is all up to you. Also, one other big benefit that the KuCoin exchange offers, they have hundreds of different coins. Robinhood, they have like 4 or 5 coins. KuCoin Exchange has hundreds, even cheaper than Dogecoin. Coins that have a ton of potential to make you even more money. Those are just a couple of reasons why I believe the KuCoin Exchange is one of the best places to buy some Dogecoin. Also, the KuCoin Exchange has a ton of other features, like the trading bot that trades crypto for you. They also have lending, where you can lend out your crypto to earn even more interest. They have futures trading. They have a ton of other benefits. So make sure you check it out. Link will be in the description box below. But remember guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Make sure to do your own research. And now let me show you an opportunity that can make you some money. Don't worry, I'm not gonna try to sell you any type of course. Let's switch on over to the computer screen so you can see this opportunity. Alright, so now we are on the KuCoin Exchange and we are looking at a chart for Ethereum Classic. Ethereum Classic has had an amazing month so far. It has pumped tremendously. And right now it is priced at $126 per coin on the KuCoin Exchange. But here's where you can make some money. Let's look at Ethereum Classic on Coinbase. As you can see, it is trading at $137. So pretty much $11 more. This opportunity is very simple. If you have the KuCoin Exchange, you can literally buy some Ethereum Classic on here for $127 and then simply transfer it to Coinbase and sell it for $137, making yourself a nice little profit. And then once you make the profit, you can literally send it over to the KuCoin Exchange again, buy some more Ethereum Classic, send it on over to Coinbase and repeat the process and make yourself even more profits. This is called arbitrage trading. It has been done many times before. There's robots that literally do this for you, but I seen the opportunity and I'm like, yo, let me share it with the people. Arbitrage trading works with pretty much any exchange out there. Binance, Gemini, Crypto.com, Voyager, KuCoin, Coinbase. You literally compare prices of cryptocurrencies. For example, on one exchange, it is selling for $1, but on the other exchange, it is selling for $2. So you literally buy here, sell here, and make profits along the way. Also, one easy way to find opportunities just like this one, check out the Atani link in the description box below. With Atani, you are able to link multiple exchanges onto one platform. This way you are able to compare prices of different coins from many different exchanges. And if you see an opportunity like this one, you can definitely take it and make some money. Alright everybody, that concludes this quick little video. If you enjoyed it, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions whatsoever, do not hesitate to drop them in the comment section below. And also drop a comment below and let me know your Dogecoin price prediction. And as always, see you in the next video. Peace out.